U Avner Pariat u badai ru kertong jangka VPP na East Shillong haka election badang Shudam ula Pynrem jor ya ka Jingshah basung Shirkai ka baikong Ampareen lengdo i MLA jangka East Shillong ila hap yaisha. Uba Pariat ula ong ba kum kini kijat Jingshah ki pen i ka Jingduna haka imnang salang. Bun ki samla ki dap ka jing pisa ba jing pitar hapo mensim henre ban ne kumni kamde ka babaha ba ka pen i pen ban ka Jingdum jong kini ki briu. Kum ka society ngi deban khmi hapo mensim ki ki daw ba penlong kumne yakini ki samla ni ha ban long ki baslur ban khmi ban war solution ban play lad ki brew lem kum ta kini ki za Jingshah kin sanang bon shu shu
sai rồi sai rồi sai rồi
Nine 1 degree.
Halor kani ka Jingshah ka ba susi ka ba menin ka ba ja Iing hasam jong kong Ampareen lingdo ka ba DKK ka ba sakay ka ba ni kumpat ba ro ni de ban Pynrem namal bangilai i ba kum kini ki Jingshah ki la nang kiu hot le singi kendit penrio namal ba jai ki brio ki badana ka suki ki badana ka bor andrei kum kini ki Jingshah kibun baham tak por ni i ba ni osngo ni puli ki ko kubor man kasni ni don ka jing shapting ka jing sngu shirkei ban mi tang na lauru ti kawai ka pa ngahi bat na ka unit ru ni kwa pensai ba makum kini ki jing ni pen rem jor ni mlahi ban pediang ndai manu ru kim dan hog ban le kumni ya kibriu kilap ni kim nisa kilap ni kemali kilap ni kibriu baya madan ngali tisen kebro ngim de ban priang ni kan namal bakani kapen sieri kibriu kapen shapting kasnong ka thau kam sganjo wat ki tisen ken kila long menta mong ki bakenja tengah kentu tang ye ki pulet ngakentu kasnong thau ki pat baru bakidei ban long try hino ya kilintisen kia ni laki snong ki tahu laki yogi hat namal balarang ngihi kum ki pai ba ngimmi ngimdon benta ngim pensengan ni kitu jaka tikin mi hi kini ki basni opat ki ban wan ki ban kini ya kini ki jaka jungi te mentang nilai i bakibon ma ki jingma ki balanang mo baki ber ki kran haru kat no bengin ri halaki yang kisah ni dei ban pensengan namal kata kani ka Jingshah ru hot ka pensai ngi baki don ki jingma tama ka don ka jingya dei ru le se kni sat bakani ka jing pasang jong ka district administration man khang no ki dukan ya ki mo ya ki restaurant ki hotel tetel ha ka post po budget kata ngam ngalak ban pediang ban ngalak penmi statement lo kata ru ki la patai kubor namar balong sko baje karang de kapor ka babun bagi ke kayau hadu kala nang kiu menta baki berkila kampam ki sama ki sura mi kam jan mien te kita ki ke ji sha ka kata te ka kamai ka ji jung ki breu ka jing yo jing kot hapong ngila poi menta ngila sai ngila kiu ngila mi hadu kata hadu kani ka level bali bantan biang sedin te yo i pinomla ban bu pulit hamman ka snok tau pinomla ban penrung pulit hamman ka triu yeng te ka bhahi ban pensengan gin yu ba te kani ka Jingshah hot ka di ka basosi tang ba kumang laong ka don ke te ka ba ni kumu ba hi kum ka imlang salang hi haban pet hapo mensim jong baki don ki jingduna le se ni kloi than ban sukhang ni sukloi than ban te ban khom lesingi hapan wan no kemoi ka linti lesingi hapan long no ki bakam ya ka jmo ju perhan ngam tip ngin hapan perkhat ha jliu habun bhakiliam ngam kwa ka Shillong ka ba mo ka de ka waini ki sharak ha ka north east ni bahkan kelalong pat kum ki wi jaka ha ka ba ka tu ka sharak ka light ka Jingshah ka laja kam de ban kum ta pat ni kum ki nong song de mat pedyang ni kata Te itai di way jing ke tu jonga mo but ka jing I mean same ru le say ko Ampareen bawat la kalaja ko ni to mo wanum sngoe wanum tieng wanum randien wanlang nila benya kan to iwi halo ki politics Andai kum ki brio pada telong ngimla ban pediang kum kini kike but nakaliang jumi na unit ru but na circle ngimla hi pediang te sekawai pada kajing tu jonga ki baba. Let us own the streets. Let us own our neighborhoods, our localities, because if we don't do it, then various other factions, various other, you could say, dark forces will overcome these same these same spaces. We need more open spaces. We need more open minds. We have to look deeply into our souls and to really point out the problems in our society. It's not always what we think they are. Many people are very obsessed with drug dealers and prostitutes and so on. But maybe there's a fundamental reason for that. There's a reason why all these issues, these big problems are now emerging and coming out to the front. Because of certain things that have failed in our society, particularly economic policy, they have failed. They have not gotten rid of poverty, of inequality. Inequality is a very, very serious thing, which not enough politicians think is a problem. We need to ensure that our ministers, our MLAs, our officers all understand that this is a very serious problem. Inequality is a very, very bad thing. And we need to address it, we need to tackle it, we need to battle it, eradicate it. That should be the aspiration. When that is done, when economic justice has been established, I am very sure that all these problems that we are worried about now will slowly, steadily disappear. What is happening in Meghalaya today? People are so scared. It is not something overnight. This is decades of bad policy, bad leadership, bad governance, corruption. This is decades. It is not something that just simply came overnight. Even though many people think that it is, it isn't. It was always there, but we allowed it to rob us of our agency. We have no more power as the people. Now is the time to change. Now is the time to move forward and to really soul search, I think. And we're going to have to be very brutally honest with ourselves, with who we are as a society. And if we have failed in some fronts, we have to correct it. But we have to be brave to look first. Thank you very much.